Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest and greatest in consumer technology. Today, we're diving deep into what many consider to be the best blood glucose monitoring kit currently available on the market. This glucose monitoring kit from Dario is making waves for its cutting-edge features and user-friendly design. It promises not only accuracy but also convenience, making it an essential tool for those managing diabetes. Let's start by looking at what makes this kit stand out. The Dario Smart Glucose Monitor Kit combines sleek design with advanced technology. Its compact size houses everything you need for blood glucose testing on the go. Firstly, the kit integrates seamlessly with your smartphone, turning it into a smart glucose meter. This allows for easy tracking and sharing of your glucose levels with healthcare providers or family members. Ease of use is another highlight. The kit requires no coding, and the lancets are designed for minimal pain, ensuring a comfortable testing experience. Accuracy is crucial in glucose monitoring, and the Dario kit excels in this area. It meets rigorous international standards for blood glucose monitors, giving you confidence in its readings. Beyond just measuring glucose levels, the accompanying app provides comprehensive data analysis. It tracks trends over time, helping users make informed decisions about their health. In conclusion, the Dario Smart Glucose Monitor Kit truly lives up to its reputation as the best blood glucose kit available today. Its blend of accuracy, ease of use, and smart technology makes it a must-have for anyone looking to manage their diabetes effectively. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Until next time, stay informed and empowered with Product Critique.